Let's go. Hello everybody, Don here, the German 3D print nerd. And it's a beautiful day, a beautiful morning. So let's see what the postman brought to me. And what we have here, already assembled and everything, is, yes it is, the Lerdge board with the display. And extra for the display. Let me see how easy I can put it on. There it is. You got your turn and push button switch. There's the knob for it, you know, so that you can work like that, you know, push the button. If you don't find this little thing for the touch screen, you know, I mean, it does have a touchpad on it, so yeah, it all depends. What's easier for you, you know? Push your finger on the display all around, and then you have to clean the display every once in a while because of your dirty, smudgy fingers, yeah? Or just use the button and turn switch. Well, we'll see. But yeah, anyway, here's the Lerdge board, and at this time I wish to say a special thank you to two guys. Really 3 guys, because there was already $9 in coffee on my coffee account. Yeah, buy me a coffee account. But at Christmas time, 2 guys, they also helped me out. And all I had to do is just put another around about 25, 26 euros on top of that. And then I was able to order this at Christmas time. This Lerdge board has everything on it. It even has the drivers already on it. I didn't have to put the drivers on, they were already on. And that's the LV8729 drivers. I just only had to put the coolers on it. Yeah. And then in a couple of small packages, a small plastic box that I couldn't figure out what it was until I tore the paper off of it. There was that Wi-Fi module in it. And then unfortunately, another USB connector. Yeah, I mean, I don't know why, but it seems like when you want the Wi-Fi, you have to order the Wi-Fi USB combination. That way, yeah, you can connect it, because there's 2 wide ports underneath here on each side of the SD card slot. And then the USB connector, that goes into there. And then there's a little connector here on top. And then you put your Wi-Fi module, you connect that onto that, you know. Which is strange, but yeah, whatever. But of course there's no paperwork or anything, you know, there. So what you have to do, you have to go back to AliExpress, you have to look for the Lerdge board, and then you have to download the pictures there, or maybe there's even a PDF there that you can download. I have to take a look and see. But yeah, and Shane, if you're watching now, hey, I got it. As you told me to get, I got it. Yeah. Oh yeah, and there's the power cord for it. Well, I think it's going to be long enough. Thank God I'm only using 12 volt, not 24 volt. Otherwise, I'd definitely put some thicker cables on here. Because, I mean, okay, it's just like on the, oh no. Let's see, I think I'll change those cables out. Because the power cables that is on the power supply for my Wanhao i3 that I'm using for it, they're thicker. They are thicker than this cable here, and that was only a 12 volt power supply. So I don't know. That's something I might have to check out. But yeah. Anyway, and then next stupid problem. Yeah. Then in the package there was also the flat band cable, you know, for the display board connection. Yeah, super, 20 centimeters. Nice. Yeah. Would have been, and they delivered 2 of them. I mean, it would have been better if they would have delivered one that was at least 40 centimeters long. I mean, there's the Lerdge, there's the hypercube, yeah? Normally I'd have the control underneath, because on that frame that you can see right there, there's going to be a plate coming on top of it, so that I can mount the power supply underneath, and then I thought maybe the control also. But it looks like instead of putting the box for the display, instead of putting it up here on top, I'm going to have to put it yeah, I'm going to have to put it down here because the cable is too short. I don't know. I'll see what I'm going to do there. Yeah, because here's the box. It's already got the mounting bracket on the back of it. Yeah, you can move that around a little bit, depending on how you want to mount it. You know, from the top, looking down at you, or just mount it like that. Tighten those screws back up, and then you have it looking up at you. You know, I think I might do that. I don't know. But it looks also like I'm going to have to print a new cover, because this is printed out. This is nice and thin and sleek. But indent in there, and when you put this display in there, I think I'm going to have a problem with the buzzer that is on the back of it. That buzzer there is in the wrong direction. Normally, instead of going to the back, it should be mounted to the front. I mean, I've got to solder the switch on. Maybe I can unsolder this and then see if I can turn it around and solder it back on, so that's up on the front side, because that would probably help out. But yeah, we'll see. Otherwise, you just have to print another top piece for this, whereby the top piece is then about 3 millimeters thicker, you know, or the edge is about 3 millimeters higher or something like that. We'll see. Only thing I have to do now, just wait until the month's end, till my retirement comes, because I still have 2 items on my Amazon wish list for the hypercube. I still have 2 items on there. That's for the GT2 pulleys that have teeth in them. Yeah, I've got the round ones. Yeah, I've got those already in there and mounted. Belts are already in as they're supposed to be. But yeah, as soon as I put pressure on them and they're running, printing, I'll probably have to change the belts once a month or whatever, because the belts, they don't have the pulleys, they don't have any teeth in them. That means when the belt's being pulled around and everything, you know, the teeth that are going around the belt, because it's under pressure, they're going to be pushed in all directions and they wear out faster. And that's the problem. So what you need to do, you need to put the geared, the pulleys with the GT2 teeth in it. And then when you put your belts in there, you know that your belts then are working perfectly. And it also helps keep them in sync. Yeah, but anyway, that's enough blabbering for now. So I'd say, again, thank you guys for helping me out getting the board. If you're not subscribed, do subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. And who knows, maybe we'll see each other on Saturday when I do my next live stream. Or in between, who knows. I don't know. We'll see what comes. But as always, I do wish you happy printing. And have a nice day. Till the next time. Bye, y'all.